Welcome back to Okash Mods. Today we're going to be going over how I wash my car at home for as cheap as possible. First of all, let's take a quick look at the condition of the car. All the car wash products used in this video will be linked in the description below. We're going to start off by rinsing the tires. Next, we're going to use the wheel and tire cleaner. Fill up our bucket with water and car soap. Fill up the foam cannon. Dip our microfiber towels in here, one for each section of the car. All right, now we're going to connect our attachment to our hose here. So we're going to let this sit for a couple minutes. Let's take our microfiber towel and let's start cleaning. Now the next microfiber towel for the sides of the car. And now the rear of the car. New towel. Get the front grills. All right, now it's time to rinse. Let's start from the top. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is take a microfiber towel to dry the car. We've got another dry one here. And now this is what it looks like when it's all dry and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching, and on to the next mod.